We all use the airplane, we all use so much electronic stuff, so it makes you part of taking a lot of pride on making sure that things are right. Hi, my name is Caridad Rios. I'm a quality inspector at electronic area in Collins, Puerto Rico. We just make sure our process is being followed, and the electronic board we're working on, those specifications has to be accurate with what we needing for the process. Anything and everything in it has to be followed through to make sure that, of course, quality and safety goes by hand by hand. Just knowing that something so important and that it's all over the world, it's here in Puerto Rico was, triggering and interesting to me. We are so proud of everything and anything that has to do with us or become part of us. It's part of being Puerto Ricans again. We come back day by day and just keep doing more and more, learning more and developing more. And that's what makes us kind of just the family we are.